Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to deselect lasso tool in Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, open your Photoshop, then select lasso tool. Right click on your mouse is lasso tool. Then single selection or multiple selection. I use single selection. Then select example. I select to this multiple selection. Okay, and remove. Sorry, deselect lasso tool. Hold Alt again. Hold Alt. Okay, and or click this icon, edit. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.